Hello everyone, this is Tapish Kaur. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Today I am going to share my views on knowing is not enough, you must apply it. Guys, in school and college, uh, we learned so many things. Start from the discipline, time management, and certain other bookish knowledge as per our requirement. But what is the difference between the one who grows up to the certain level and the other one who get content with little what he get? The difference is of the application. It's a matter of application. It is very much required. Reading bunch of books, getting knowledge from bunch of books is very much required. But without knowing how to apply this knowledge is of no. Then in that case, knowledge is of no use. Let me share a famous quote of Bruce Lee. What Bruce Lee said. He said, having knowledge is not enough, you must apply it. And willing is not enough, we must do it. So, like getting, let's have an example of dreams and achievement. It is good to dream to be bigger. It is good to wish certain things, but without getting into the action mode and without ensuring that our dreams, our wish should not come through, your dreams, and without ensuring that our dreams, our wish should not get up to the achievement level, your dreams and your wish is of no use. So, making dreams to achievement level, we should come into the action mode. Same holds true. Whatever knowledge we get from the book, whatever knowledge we are getting from the training institute, whatever knowledge we are getting from the training class, the only and the rather than saying the only way, the easiest way to remember what we had learned is to start applying what you had learned. Like if you would have seen, majority of time, what we read, yeah, the book we read, yeah, whatever training class we attend, uh, it is the basically a human psychology. Only 5% of what we had learned, what we had read, we are going to remember after few days of time. But if you want that what you had learned, what was taught to you, if you want to, it should remain in your mind for longer duration of time, you should start applying it. Once you start applying it, so your learning will be part of your action. Your learning will be part of your way of life. So uh, it is advisable whatever you had learned, whatever you know, start putting into the action, start applying whatever you had learned, whatever you know. This will help you to remember what you had learned. So this is all about my understanding and my belief about this subject, that knowing is not enough, you must apply it. Hope you guys has enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. Stay healthy, stay safe.